I'm Leah and thank you for joining me this session. And today we will be talking about Parasoft C, C++ test product of Parasoft C, C++ test is an integrated development testing solution for automating a broad range of testing best practices proven to improve development team productivity and software quality. Under Parasoft C, C++ test, we have 5 topics that we will be discussing. First is capabilities, supported environments, coding standards, why C, C++ test, and resources. Under capabilities, there is 5 topics that we have to know. Static analysis, code coverage analysis, peer review, traceability, runtime error detection, and traceability. Static analysis. Increase productivity with the industry's broadest set of static analysis technologies. Focus dev test efforts on what's most important to the business. Eliminate defects fast to prioritize findings, workflow triggers. Gain unparalleled insight through advanced software analytics. Detection is good, prevention is better. Parasoft static analysis accurately exposes the industry's broadest range of defects across C, C++, Java, and .NET languages. Using multiple levels of static analysis, Parasoft provides early and effortless detection of the exact code responsible for critical leaks, erratic behavior, crashes, deadlocks, security vulnerabilities that might otherwise leak into production. The industry's most advanced and extensive static analysis. Parasoft offers more different types of static analysis techniques than any other single provider. Pattern-based static analysis, flow-based static analysis, third-party static analysis, metric analysis, and multivariate analysis. This unique integrated support for so many static analyses is a broad array of workflows from on-the-fly analysis to continuous integration execution. Visualize actionable static analysis insight. The dashboards can include custom and built-in widgets such as My Defects, Top Defects by category, and defects by severity. 0 is on specific static analysis, violation types, and trends. Explore the breadth and depth of risk association with the code. Adjust violation priority, assignment, risk and impact levels, due dates, and on the fly. Additional is blend with unit test execution coverage analysis, metric analysis, and other dev test practices. Multivariate analysis with process intelligence integrate and enhance results from the third-party static analysis tools. Unit testing. Unit test case creation, execution, optimization, management, coverage. Rapidly build a high-coverage test suite. Easily extend and customize generated tests. Expose functional problems and crash-causing defects. Remove barriers to creating and maintaining robust test suites, integrated with static analysis, code review, and more. Unit test creation. Automatically analyze code that generates a high-coverage test suite with complete X-unit format test. Realistic functional tests can be created via tracing. The test suite can be run independent of the complete system to isolate code behavior, changes, reduce set of complexities, and make it practical to execute on a daily basis. Unit test optimization. Easy test extension, an object repository and flexible stubs framework to make tests more realistic. Data-driven testing with different sets of automated distribution of test failures to the appropriate code authors, requirements traceability and detailed reporting for auditability, embedded unit testing on the host, target, simulator, automates the complete test execution flow, including test case generation, cross-compilation deployment, execution, and loading results back into the GUI. The test execution sequence is completely customized. Multi-metric test coverage analysis. A multi-metric test coverage analyzer, including line statement block, decision or branch, path, and MC and DC and condition coverage. Reports coverage metric as well as graphically displays tested versus untested code via annotated source code. Beyond unit testing, fully integrated with a broad range of complementary capabilities ranging from peer review to static code analysis to end-to-end functional and load testing to service virtualization. Code coverage analysis. Submerged correlated code coverage for reducing business risk, achieving test traceability requirements for compliance, and implementing efficient testing processes to accelerate releases. Traceability for compliance and auditability. Coverage percentage by file, class, function, and method. Annotated source code. Coverage for individual test cases. File with coverage below a specified threshold. Additional is multi-metric test coverage analysis. Integrated multi-level coverage. Beyond coverage analysis. Peer review. Peer review for any languages and file type, preparation, notification, and tracking. Works in concern with automated code review. Asynchronous, unobstructed process, ideal for distributed teams. Supports any languages and file type, all common dev environments. Integrated with collaborative development and testing framework. Review process automation. Parasoft automates and manages your team's workflow for reviewing code and other development artifacts by pairing static analysis with automated peer review preparation, notification, and tracking. We help you focus on the high-level review tasks and require human intelligence. Unobstructed workflow. Check in code as normal. Then review packages are prepared automatically and distributed to the appropriate reviewer's IDE according to the pre-configured reviewer mappings. Reviewers examine different and add commands and approve or reject the television. Flexible workflow. Post-commit, pre-commit, and hybrid workflows are supported. Post-commit automatically identifies code changes in a source repository and creates code review tasks based on a preset mappings. Pre-commit, a review is initiated from the desktop by selecting arbitrary files ready for review or by automatically identifying all locally changed source code. Process monitoring. For a peer review process to stay on track, it needs to measure the activity monitored. Are reviews being performed? Are identified issues automatically being resolved? How is the code review impacting their productivity and application quality? Reports also provide an audit trail or exactly what was reviewed, when, and who. Runtime error detection. Expose critical as the application is exercised. Works from unit testing through application as system testing. Reports only defects that actually occur. Lightweight and suitable for embedded testing, integrated with static analysis, unit testing, code reviews, and more. Expose critical runtime defects. Runtime error detection is key for efficiently identifying defects that manifest themselves only at a runtime, and zeroing is on the root causes of the application crashing, running slowly, or behaving unpredictably. Sample defects detected: crashes, database, exceptions, functional errors, file I/O, GUI, memory, network, optimization, portability, security, services. Second is supported environments. Host platforms, IDEs through project and import support, target and cross compilers, build management, host compilers, source control. Coding standards compliance with Parasoft. Prevention patterns, bug detection patterns, code metric patterns, runtime error detection. Reduce noise with process intelligence. This enables you to eliminate false positives, pinpoint business risk in the code, and incrementally improve processes that result in more faster delivery without affecting quality. Types of defects detected. Example: API usage errors, best practice coding errors, build system issues, buffer overflows, class hierarchy inconsistencies, code maintainability issues, concurrent data access violations, control flow issues, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, deadlocks, error handling issues. Why C++ test? Comprehensive software quality tools for C and C++. Help development team produce better code, test it more efficiently, and consistently monitor progress towards quality goals. C++ can be used in both host-based and target-based code analysis and test flows. Automate code analysis for monitoring compliance. It is to prevent entire classes for programming errors by ensuring compliance with coding standards specific to your group or organization. Sample resources is Select S Automated Defect Prevention Case Study, PhoBe Medical Device Testing Case Study, Best Practices for Bulletproofing C++ Code, Development Testing Maturity Model, 7-point Plan for Security Automotive Software, Development Testing for Agile Teams. Thank you for sparing me your time, and for further information, please log into www.e-espincorp.com, and please don't hesitate to contact us.